Florida on our mind. Discover the Sunshine State's beauty and charm. Good morning, lovely people. I greet you with love. I wish you a good day. Let us get started with today's blog. Florida, the Sunshine State, is a must-visit destination this time of year. With its idyllic weather, stunning beaches, and friendly locals, there is no better place to escape for a vacation. In this blog post, we will explore some of the top cities to visit in Florida, including Jacksonville, Miami, Tampa, and Orlando. Plus, we'll share tips on finding exceptional hotel deals on your favorite booking sites. Florida's weather, the perfect escape. Florida's climate is one of its major attractions, offering warm temperatures and plenty of sunshine. This time of year, visitors can expect pleasant weather with temperatures ranging from the high 70s to mid-80s Fahrenheit, making it the perfect time to explore the state's beautiful beaches, parks, and cities. Top Florida destinations to visit. Jacksonville. As the largest city in Florida, Jacksonville offers a vibrant urban experience alongside beautiful beaches. Explore the city's thriving art scene, visit the Riverside Arts Market, or spend a day at the Jacksonville Zoo and Gardens. Don't forget to unwind at Jacksonville Beach, where you can soak up the sun and surf. Miami. Known for its lively atmosphere, beautiful beaches, and rich cultural heritage, Miami is a must-see destination. Discover the colorful Art Deco architecture in South Beach, visit the Perez Art Museum Miami, or immerse yourself in the city's Cuban heritage at Little Havana. With its bustling nightlife and diverse culinary scene, there's always something happening in Miami. Tampa. Situated on Florida's Gulf Coast, Tampa offers a mix of city life and beach relaxation. Explore the historic Ybor City neighborhood, visit the Florida Aquarium, or take in the breathtaking views at Bayshore Boulevard. Nearby, you'll find beautiful beaches like Clearwater Beach, where you can enjoy warm waters and white sand. Orlando. Known as the theme park capital of the world, Orlando is a dream destination for families and thrill-seekers alike. Visit world-famous attractions like Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld. But don't forget to explore the city's other offerings, such as the Orlando Science Center, Lou Gardens, or the vibrant downtown area. Exceptional hotel pricing, finding the best deals. To make the most of your Florida getaway, take advantage of exceptional hotel pricing on your favorite booking sites. Be sure to compare prices, read reviews, and consider booking your accommodation well in advance to secure the best deals. Keep an eye out for exclusive offers and discounts, and don't hesitate to contact hotels directly to inquire about exclusive rates. Conclusion. Florida's charm, natural beauty, and exciting attractions make it an ideal destination this time of year. Whether you choose to explore the bustling streets of Miami, the family-friendly attractions in Orlando, or the serene beaches of Tampa, you're sure to create unforgettable memories in the Sunshine State. So, start planning your Florida adventure today and discover all that this beautiful state has to offer. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.